A lot of people think, oh, well, I'm going on vacation. I'm not going to be in my house. I'm just going to turn my system off. That's something that you definitely don't want to do. First off, in the summertime, the heat's going to rise in your house, create a lot of humidity in your home, which in return will create mildew problems. You'd come home to a very hot and sticky house. Once you did come home and you turn your air conditioner back on, it may take a day and a half to finally get back down to temperature. So how much money are you actually saving by turning off that system?
Before you go on vacation, check your filter. Because if you haven't changed your filter in a long time and all you're thinking about is I can't wait to get to where I'm going and your filter's plugged up, there's a good chance that you're gonna freeze up your air conditioner and you're gonna have a mess to come home to. So check your filter, check your drain. And then depending on what kind of thermostat you have, set your thermostat accordingly. Maybe you have pets in the house and you're gonna leave the temperature run at the same temperature that you would have it running if you were home. I keep my house about 73 degrees. Now it changes, you know, when we go to bed and whatever, but when we're up and moving around during the day, I'm at 73. When I go on vacation, I raise mine up to 77. And then I do have a smart thermostat. So an hour before I come home, couple hours before I come home, I can go to my phone and dial it down to whatever I need. Those are a few things to look at.